In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord notifications not working. If your pings have gone quiet, the most reliable fix is to check Discord's own settings in a couple of places. We'll start with your overall notification preferences, then confirm the server-level settings so you only get the alerts you actually want. First, open Discord. On desktop, look to the bottom left of the app and click the small gear icon next to your profile. This opens user settings. On mobile, tap your profile picture to open the same area. This is where Discord keeps all your personal preferences, including notifications. Next, head to the Notifications section. On desktop, you'll find it in the left sidebar. On mobile, it's under App Settings. Go ahead and open it so you can see the notification controls that apply to your entire account on this device. On desktop, make sure Enable Desktop Notifications is turned on. This switch allows Discord to send you pop-up alerts and sounds when new activity happens. If it's off, Discord stays silent even when people are messaging you. On mobile, look for the main notification toggles and turn them on so the app can alert you about new messages, mentions, and updates. Think of these as the master switches. If they're off, nothing else you change will make a difference. Turning them on ensures Discord is allowed to let you know what's happening in real time. With your global settings confirmed, let's check the server-specific controls. Go to the server you care about. On desktop, you can open its notification settings by right-clicking the server icon in the left sidebar, or clicking the server name at the top and choosing Notification Settings. On mobile, tap the server name to find the same menu. Inside, you'll see options that control how noisy or quiet that server is for you. If you want to be notified for everything, set the server to all messages. This tells Discord to alert you for every new message across that server, not just when someone mentions you. If you prefer a lighter touch, Only at Mentions will alert you only when your username or role is called out. Keep in mind that channel-level mutes or overrides can still quiet individual channels even when a server is set to all messages. So this setting focuses on the default behavior across the server. That's it. By enabling notifications in user settings and selecting all messages in the server's notification settings. When you want full alerts, Discord should resume notifying you as expected. Your changes save automatically, so once you back out of the menus, you're good to go.